So, do you think that's one of the reasons why many languages, such as C++, PHP, Python, and even Java, are now implementing functional features such as generic types or lambda functions or functional interface for Java with MapReduce streams and stuff like that. So, do you think that now it's time to move to a new paradigm for solving industry problems?
Yeah, thank you for this question. And well, first of all, there is a person who believes that that notion of paradigm is obsolete. It's Vitaly Bragilevsky. He says mm, paradigms were a thing in the 90s and zeros, but today languages uh, get becoming multi-paradigm, and so it doesn't make sense to tell about to speak about paradigms in separate. It's mostly like a mix of those paradigms in real life. So we can talk about different styles of programming, right? Functional style, declarative style, imperative, OOP style, to do things, a logical style, but paradigms mostly get obsolete. This is a very interesting point of view, and I believe it's true to the sense that even in C++ we see how different paradigms reflect each other. For example, it was realized that templates for generic programming in C++ is not just a metaprogramming paradigm there. It's a paradigm which is really related to what we do in Haskell. And these interconnections were one of the interesting findings of those times. And why languages derive these new features? Well, yes, because the world becomes multi-paradigm, and because I believe OOP is stuck in its development 10, maybe 15 years ago, maybe 20 years ago, and languages want to evolve, and they want to make the life of developers easier. Several features from FP are very good, like algebraic data types, and even C Sharp implemented records recently. It's immutable structures for keeping data. There were structures, there were classes, but now it's also records, a part of algebraic data types and pattern matching, of course. So the developers of languages, like creators of languages, they see all these trends in the functional world, and they feel how the community demands for these features. Not the whole community, of course. There are always a division into early adopters and laggers, so-called, because there is a diagram of adoption cycle. But
Okay.
the more people started wanting these features, the less chances to avoid it the creators of languages had. So it's now like a demand from the development world. You cannot avoid it. And to be said, Scala and JavaScript, in my opinion, are the two languages which brought functional programming into mainstream. Not
Yeah,
Haskell,
absolutely.
yeah, not Clojure, not Erlang, JavaScript and Scala.
Yeah, I have to confirm that.